I am Muhammad Ibrahim. You are watching Dunya TV on your screen. Today I will tell you a story that never made the headlines. It is the timeless tale of the courage and bravery of the world's #1 intelligence agency, the ISI. So, let's begin. The title of this story is The Shadow of the Crescent. A silent night in Islamabad. The city was in deep sleep, but the lights were shining on a certain floor of the ISI headquarters. Major Zain Ali, who had been a thorn in the enemy's side for 15 years, was sitting in his office reading a secret message over and over again. The message consisted of just 3 words. Operation Black Crescent is back in action. These words were not part of any ordinary message. A decade ago, it was Major Zain who had thwarted the operation when the enemy had conspired to hollow Pakistan from within. Now the operation was coming back to life, and this time the enemy was more dangerous than ever. Major Zain alerted his dedicated team. Rada, the young cyber genius, who had cracked the enemy's secret server yesterday and decrypted 70% of the data. Captain Faraz, the Iron Man of field operations, with 100+ successful missions to his name from Balochistan to Waziristan. The team had gathered evidence in 72 hours, high-frequency data traffic. From Islamabad to Karachi, an NGO disguised as a cover agency for the enemy. A mysterious code received from Waziristan. The convoy has departed. The shadow game, Rada hacked into the enemy's services in digital warfare and decoded a name. Shadow. He was a systems engineer stationed in a sensitive data center in Karachi. His job was to steal Pakistan's nuclear, military, and economic data and sell it to an enemy country. Major Zain attacked on 3 fronts. Rada gained access to Shaya's laptop and froze all the data. Captain Faraz chased Shaya through the streets of Karachi for 48 hours. ISI gave evidence to the UN that the enemy country was breaking the rules of cyber warfare, the final battle in the depths of the sea. As Shaya began to flee towards Gwadar, the ISI and the Pakistan Navy surrounded him in the middle of the sea. In the darkness of the night, high-speed boats intercepted the merchant ship. 2-minute skirmish, and Shaya was arrested. 1 terabyte of data, 5 encrypted USBs, and voice recordings of a general of the enemy country were recovered from him. The morning that never dawned. The next day, the Prime Minister was briefed in Islamabad. Pakistan survived a major cyber 9/11, but the nation never knew how many darknesses were fought in the shadow of their Hilal. Major Zain smiled as he looked at the flag waving from his office window. The war does not end. It just takes away our sleep. Stay connected with Dunya TV until the next story. Allah Hafiz. Movie camera.